In the hospitality field, there are a few different ways that technology is used in educational purposes. Some of these ways include videos and to show how to do something or how to teach something, or there are different PowerPoint presentations to expand on different ideas or present an event idea. And there's also online journals to show kind of like the happenings that are going on in the hospitality industry. With these technologies also come standards and using them as educational purposes. The first standard is content of knowledge. When a trainer is using a certain tool, say PowerPoint for example, they should be efficient in it. This means that they should know how to get to PowerPoint, or if they don't have it on a computer, they should know how to download it and get access to it. And then they should also know how to present a presentation once it is completed, but this also means that they should be aware of how to create a PowerPoint for an educational purpose. And they should also be able to know how to edit at any time in case anything is incorrect or they need to update or add to anything. And they should also know how to put it into presentation mode. The second standard is content pedagogy. This standard involves a knowledge that is unique to teachers. This means that they should know what they are teaching about and how they are going to teach a group of students. This is important when presenting any information because they should know the process that they are about to create for the students to learn. They should also know the information that is being taught so that if any questions come up, they are able to be sufficient enough to answer any of the questions. Once they have taught the information, they should also have a way of assessing it and how effective it was in teaching the information. This way, instructors also know if they need to change anything or if they have the right implementation style. The third standard is learning environments. This standard is to ensure that the information and that the way that they are presenting it is designed best on research-based practices. To do this, instructors must make sure that they double-check their work and findings against others or different data that they have collected. When assessing the standard, data should be collected using things like Google Polls or Google surveys to improve the teacher methods, but also the teaching material. This is also seen at JMU when department heads conducted end of the semester evaluations about different teachers and their learning styles. The last standard is professional knowledge and skills. This standard is important when using design, development, and implement and evaluation for the uses of technology in a classroom. This is done best within a collaborative process where the experts are also able to analyze the different type of data that is collected through the professors. This is also where the ethics part comes in when creating any type of work or using an educational tool. You must make sure that it is applicable in all aspects of the work that it is being used for, and it is respectful of everyone and their different ways of learning. So for example, if a student is deaf, you need to make sure that there are subtitles or there is a script printed out for them to learn, or if for say a student is blind, the video should also be explained to them in exactly what is going on and what is happening so they can still learn. By following all these standards set forth by the AECT, you will have a successful time when using technology in any profession that you are in.